Hi mga palangga! In this video, I'm going to share with you the best option on how to transfer our money from our BPI account to another bank or e-wallets for free using BPI Vibe app. Normally, kapag ginagamit ko lang yung BPI account ko to transfer money to another bank or e-wallets, meron siyang convenience fee of 25 pesos. So medyo may kamahalan siya sa mga transfer fees. Kaya I'm so happy na meron na silang ni-release na Vibe app na kung saan I can transfer my money from my BPI account to another bank or e-wallets for free. And almost 1 year ko nang ginagamit itong Vibe app na ito mga palangga. And so far, working pa din naman siya hanggang ngayon. Normally, ginagamit itong app na ito ng mga BPI credit card holders para pag-monitor at saka pag-redeem ng mga earn points. And basically, this app mga palangga is like an e-wallet like GCash na kung saan pwede nating makapag-transfer ng pera separately from our BPI account. So if you don't have this application mga palangga, available siya sa Play Store or App Store. Search nyo lang Vibe by BPI. And once na na-install nyo siya mga palangga, open nyo lang yung app at kapag wala pa kayong existing account with Vibe, click nyo lang itong Join the Vibe. And if you're a new user with this Vibe app mga palangga, you may also consider using my referral code. Lagay ko sa screen para magamit nyo din during registration. And make sure din mga palangga na meron na tayong existing account kay BPI para madali lang nating malink itong ating Vibe app dun sa ating online account with BPI. So pag tatanungin niya, are you existing BPI online user? So click lang natin yung yes kapag meron na tayong BPI online account. And then, it would lead us to the page where you can enter our username and password ng ating BPI online account para malink natin itong BPI Vibe app natin. And after nun, mag-nominate lang tayo ng 4-digit PIN code to complete our registration. Once we're able to log in mga palangga and complete our registration, ito yung makikita natin sa home screen. So, separate yung kanyang wallet na ito doon sa ating savings account kay BPI. Kaya, for me, safe naman siya. And now, pakita ko sa inyo mga palangga kung paano nga ba mag-transfer ng pera from our BPI account to another banks or e-wallets for free. So first, dahil nakalink na yung ating BPI online account sa ating Vibe app, click lang natin itong Vibe e-wallet. Ito nakalagay na 0. So, click lang natin yan. And then, lalabas ito mga options natin. So, meron ditong add money, send money, request money, cash out, pay bills, send to bank. So, ang gagawin muna natin mga palangga is magta-transfer muna tayo ng pera from our BPI account to our Vibe e-wallet. So, click lang natin itong add money kasi 0 pa lang siya. And then, it will route us to another page where we can get our money from. So, click lang natin itong please select an account. At dahil nakalink na yung ating BPI online account, mag-reflect na doon yung list ng ating accounts kay BPI. And select lang natin kung ano yung account number na gagamitin natin na pagkukuhanan ng funds. And then after nun, enter lang natin yung amount. So, sa case ko, tatry natin 15 pesos. And then, hit natin yung next button. And then, i-route niya tayo for OTP. So, click lang natin yung yes, send me the code. And after that, we'll get a confirmation na add money successful. So, nandun naman yung receipt and also yung reference number. And then, click lang natin yung home. And then, makikita na natin yung 15 pesos na na-add na sa ating Vibe e-wallet. So, yun yung first step. Kailangan muna natin matransfer yung pera natin from our BPI online account to our Vibe e-wallet using the add money option. And then, once meron na tayong available na pera dito sa ating Vibe e-wallet, gagamitin natin to transfer to other banks. So, click lang natin itong Vibe e-wallet na nakikita natin na meron na akong 15 pesos. And this time, we're going to select send to bank option since we're going to transfer money to another bank. And then, click lang natin itong drop-down button to select kung ano yung bank na pagtatransferan natin. So, in my example, we will try Philippine National Bank or PNB. And then, enter na natin yung account name, account number, and also yung amount to send. At once okay na tayo, click lang natin yung next button. And then, i-route niya tayo to review our transaction. So, double check ulit natin kung tama nga ba yung account number na pagka-transferan natin. And from here, we can see that the transaction fee is 0. So, amount to send 15 pesos, transaction fee 0. Total amount deducted is 15 pesos. So, same amount na matatransfer natin sa ating or sa ibang bank or e-wallets. And then after nun, click lang natin tong send money button at i-route niya tayo to enter our MPIN, yung 4-digit code na na-create natin during registration. And then hit natin yung next button. And then that's it. We'll get a confirmation that bank transfer is successful. So makikita natin transaction fee of 0 pesos. Total amount deducted is 15 pesos. And we can see as well the reference number. At kung i-check naman natin yung PNB account na pinag-transferan natin, nag-reflect na agad siya dun sa transaction history. That means instant naman yung pagta-transfer ng pera kahit na libre siya. So, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit mga palangga every time na nag-transfer ako ng pera from my BPI account to another bank. So, lagi kong ginagamit itong Vibe app para nakakasave talaga ako ng transfer fee. Kasi kung magta-transfer tayo directly dun sa ating BPI account, so medyo may kamahalin yung transfer fee. But using Vibe app, so makakalibre tayo sa transfer fees at saka wala pa siyang mga limits like, for example, yung ibang mga banks or mga digital banks, meron lang siyang limit na free for 3 times or 4 times in a month, something ganon. But with this Vibe app mga palangga, lagi ko siyang ginagamit and so far, wala naman ako na-encounter ng mga limits. Kaya, it's really good din kasi kahit anong amount, pwede ko siya magamit to transfer money to another bank account. And aside from free transfers mga palangga, we can also use this Vibe app to receive money from another bank. So, ang gagamitin na natin is yung ating phone number na nakaregister sa ating Vibe app instead of using the account numbers. Kasi pag gagamitin natin yung account number, matik siya dun sa ating BPI account or savings account. But if you want to use the Vibe app mga palangga to receive the money, then we can use our phone number naman to receive money or to receive transfers from another bank or another e-wallet. And in case naman mga palangga na gusto nyong i-transfer yung pera from your Vibe app into your BPI account, so libre lang naman siya. So click lang natin itong cash out. Let's say meron akong 15 pesos kanina and then gusto ko siyang ibalik dun sa BPI account ko. Click ko lang itong cash out and then we can see the option here to cash out directly to my BPI account. Plus, you also have the option to use the cardless withdrawal. And this option for cardless withdrawal is with BPI ATMs. Additionally, we can also use this app mga palangga to pay our utility bills and other bills. So, click lang natin itong pay bills. Pero be sure na meron na tayong pera na transfer natin or na-add natin yung pera dito sa ating e-wallet. Kasi kung ano lang yung nasa e-wallet natin, yun lang yung pwede natin gamitin to transfer money to another bank or to use it for payment or for withdrawal kasi separate pa siya sa ating BPI account. So if you want to use this Vibe app mga palangga to pay our bills, click lang natin itong pay bills at madami na siyang option. We can pay our internet, credit cards, electricity, utility, government, loan. So, ngayon, madami din siyang options to pay our bills. Lately ko din nalaman mga palangga that I can earn points pala kapag gagamitin ko yung Vibe app when it comes for paying my bills. For at least 1,000 pesos, I can get 100 BPI points. Kaya next time, instead of using my BPI account na when it comes for paying my credit card bill, gagamitin ko na tong Vibe app para naman magkaroon din ako ng points sa mga payments ko with my BPI credit card. And if you want to know and learn more about this Vibe app mga palangga, search nyo lang yung Vibe dun sa official website ni BPI for accurate info, or you can also reach out to their customer service for further assistance. At kung nakatulong itong video na ito mga palangga, please hit that like button and you may also consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already for more contents like this. Again, this is John Paul and always remember to be kind to yourself and to others. See you on our next vlog. Bye!